Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Anush Projects. Before going into the video, please go subscribe our channel and hit the like button and comment share as well. Thank you. Now let's move into the video. In this video, let's see how to make animation in MS PowerPoint. First of all, open MS PowerPoint and add a background image or gradient color, even texture. Now add a shape through Shapes tab. You can also choose any of the shapes. Now after inserting adjust its shape to your convenient place. And now right click, press Format Shape, and choose any color. Now adjust the color settings. Remember, you should put all creative ideas when you are creating a slide. Then you can get your slide more attractive. Always try to do creative. Anush Projects are giving you guys some ideas, so please support us to can gain more ideas from us. Now click on Animation tag. You choose your preset animation. Now you do the same preset sure about 4 to 6 times. OK, now we'll show my slide for you. After seeing that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Us is the best support for us. You can also say me what you want to explain me in MS PowerPoint through comment box. Now let's look at the slide. This is the end of the video. Stay tuned with us until the next video. Bye.